Fish and chips. Few fish dishes are as recognizable as fish and chips. Although the dish originated in Britain, it became incredibly popular in America as British immigrants settled in coastal cities such as Boston, New York, and San Francisco. A thick fillet of white fish is dipped in batter and fried until golden brown, then served alongside crispy fries. What makes it special is the contrast between the crunchy exterior and the soft, flaky fish inside. During World War II, fish and chips became one of the few foods in Britain that was never rationed because it was considered important for public morale. Today, millions of Americans enjoy this classic comfort food every year. Its simplicity is exactly why it has survived for generations. Blackened redfish. At first glance, blackened redfish looks like a cooking mistake. The fish appears almost burnt, but that dark crust is actually the secret behind its incredible flavor. This dish was popularized in Louisiana during the 1980s by celebrity chef Paul Prudhomme. Redfish is coated in a blend of spices and cooked in a blazing hot cast iron skillet, creating a smoky, spicy crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. The dish became so popular that demand for redfish exploded across America. In fact, overfishing became such a concern that fishing regulations had to be introduced. Few recipes in American history have had such a dramatic impact on an entire fish species. Tuna Poke Bowl. Long before social media made it famous, the Tuna Poke Bowl was a traditional Hawaiian dish enjoyed by local fishermen. The word poke means to slice, and that's exactly what the dish consists of. Fresh cubes of raw tuna mixed with soy sauce, sesame oil, seaweed, and other simple ingredients. Visually, it looks like a colorful masterpiece filled with vibrant reds, greens, and golds. What makes poke unique is that nothing hides the flavor of the fish. Freshness is everything. As poke became popular across the mainland United States, demand for premium tuna increased dramatically. Today, poke bowls are one of the fastest-growing seafood trends in America and have introduced millions of people to the world of raw fish. Clam chowder. Clam chowder is one of the most iconic dishes associated with New England. Originating in the fishing communities of the northeastern United States, this thick and creamy soup combines clams, potatoes, onions, and herbs into a rich comfort food that has been enjoyed for centuries. It looks more like a hearty stew than a traditional soup. What makes it special is its deep connection to maritime history. Fishermen and sailors relied on similar meals because they were filling and easy to prepare. Surprisingly, Americans have long argued over which version is better. New England clam chowder uses cream, while Manhattan clam chowder uses tomatoes. The debate continues to this day, making this one of the most controversial soups in America. Catfish Fry. In the American South, a catfish fry is more than just a meal. It is a community event, popular throughout states like Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Catfish is coated in seasoned cornmeal and fried until perfectly crispy. The flavor is rich, satisfying, and deeply connected to Southern culture. Families gather around large tables, churches host community fish fries, and entire towns come together over this simple dish. What many people don't realize is that catfish farming became one of America's largest aquaculture industries. Without fish farms, catfish would be far more expensive and much less common. This dish represents hospitality, tradition, and community all at the same time. Lobster Roll. Today, the lobster roll is considered a luxury seafood item. But centuries ago, lobster was viewed very differently. In colonial America, lobsters were so abundant that they regularly washed ashore in enormous piles and were often fed to prisoners and laborers. The modern lobster roll transformed this once overlooked seafood into a delicacy. Fresh chunks of lobster meat are piled into a toasted bun and lightly dressed with butter or mayonnaise. The beauty of the dish lies in its simplicity. Very little is added because the sweet flavor of the lobster is meant to stand on its own. In some parts of America, premium lobster rolls now sell for more than $50 each. Few foods have experienced such an incredible transformation in reputation. Cedar Plank Salmon. Long before modern restaurants existed, Native American tribes in the Pacific Northwest were cooking salmon on cedar planks. This ancient cooking technique remains popular today because it creates a flavor that cannot be replicated any other way. Fresh salmon is placed on a cedar plank and slowly roasted, allowing the wood's natural oils to infuse the fish with a subtle smoky aroma. The presentation is dramatic because the fish is often served directly on the plank itself. What makes salmon particularly fascinating is its life cycle. Some salmon travel thousands of miles through the ocean before returning to the exact stream where they were born. This remarkable journey has made salmon one of the most respected fish in North America and an important part of the region's identity. Sushi. Although sushi originated in Japan, it has become one of the most popular fish dishes in the United States. In many ways, America helped reinvent sushi by creating entirely new styles such as the California roll, spicy tuna roll, and dragon roll. Sushi is known for its elegant appearance, precise preparation, and emphasis on freshness. Every slice of fish and every grain of rice matters. What makes sushi unique is the level of craftsmanship required to prepare it correctly. However, working with raw fish also carries risks, which is why strict food safety standards are essential. Despite these challenges, Americans spend billions of dollars on sushi every year. It has become a symbol of how different cultures can blend together to create something entirely new.